everybody, I have some exciting news here at Danchuk Manufacturing. We are opening up the showroom starting Wednesday, September 9th. The hours will be from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and we are so excited to see your faces again. You can come to our showroom to pick up your parts. We are COVID compliant and we will be letting only a few customers in at a time, so just be patient with us, you guys, as we're still trying to navigate during these times, but we're so excited to see you guys once again. And just thank you for being patient and just thank you for being supportive. We love our customers and now we are just so excited to see you guys again. So hours are again 7 to 3 and the showroom will be open on September 9th. All right, thanks you guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.